2014 Kia Sorento. I'm going to show you guys how to replace one of these hydraulic hood struts. It's very easy to replace. This is a brand new one right here. Have somebody hold the hood. If you don't have anybody to help you, just put something here to pry the hood open. What you're gonna do is, this is gonna have a metal clip right here. You just pry it off with a flathead, a smaller one like this one, and just pull it out. And then right over here, you're gonna do the same thing. Let me show you guys how to do it here. Just like that. All you gotta do is, you don't have to take it all the way out. Then this thing will come out just like that. And to install the new one, put the bottom one first, just like that. That's it. Very easy. If you guys want one of these right here, I'll have the link down in the description for you guys. This video helped you guys out, give me a thumbs up. Also click on the subscribe button, guys. Thank you for watching.